Hi everyone, welcome to Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo. In this video, I will create water drop icon design. Okay, first I will create circle object using ellipse tool, or you can press L on your key and click here, scroll down. Okay, and I will change the white color on the circle using blue color. Double click on the fill and scroll over here, and on this scroll on the blue, click OK. And I will select the pen tool over here, click here, click here, click here, and close this point. I think that looks good. Okay, I will select this object and right click and select group. And now select ellipse tool again and create object like that. Duplicate this object, go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front, put a little bit going up like that. Click on this point and scroll down. Okay, maybe a little bit down like that. Go to Pathfinder and click minus front. Okay, and put this object over here. Click on this point and scroll going up like that to change the rotation, and put over here. Maybe I need to change this object a little bit bigger. Click on this point and scroll on the right and put over here. Okay, like this. And duplicate this object, go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front, and select this object, go to Pathfinder and click unit to combine this object, and select this object, go to Pathfinder and click minus front, right click, select ungroup. Maybe I will put this object a little bit down like this, and I will select ellipse tool, create circle object like this, small circle, and double click on the double click on the stroke fill color and scroll on the gray color, click OK. I change the circle object using gray color, zoom in and click circle object like this, small circle over here. Okay, this is very easy, you can follow me. I will try to create circle object like this in this shape. Small circle over here, small circle, a little bit bigger, small circle, and a little bit bigger over here, small circle, a little bit bigger, small circle. Okay, like this. You can try to create a circle object using your idea for the size. Okay, like that. Maybe I need to edit this circle to change the size a little bit small like this, and select this object, delete this object like that. I will select the pen tool over here, click on this circle, click here, scroll like this, click on this point, click here, and click here, close this point, select this object and this small circle, change the size using maybe blue color like this, right click, select group, and in this object too I will change the color using this blue. Okay, like that. And I will select this all circle, Okay, and right click, select group, and now change the circle object using orange color. Okay, like this, and zoom out. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay guys, this is the basic how to create flat design using water drop shape. And I hope you learned something in this video guys, and if you're happy with my video tutorial, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new video tutorial every time I upload new video. And you can go to my YouTube channel in Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo. You can type Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo in YouTube search and go to my YouTube channel, watch more video tutorial. See you on the next video.